Hey guys, I would like to invite or challenge you guys to sing this song, record the song, and share this song through your social media. We just want to show our support to the victims, or family, or medical team, or volunteer there. We are facing the same issue right now with COVID-19. But anyway, you don't need to be a professional musician or a professional singer because I'm not a professional singer myself. So we just want to show our love to the world that we are here together. All right, here we go. There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place is much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, for there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for a living. Make a little space, make a better place in the world. Make it better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for a living, make it better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's a land that cannot lie. Life is strong, it only cares for joy for giving. If you try, we shall see. In this bliss we cannot feel. Fear or dread, stop existing and stop living. Then it feels that always love's enough for us growing. Make a better world, make a better world in the world. Make it better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for a living, make a better place for you and for me. And the dream we were conceiving will reveal a joyful face. And the world we once believed in will shine again in grace. Then why do we keep changing life? On this earth crucified the soul. What is plain to see is what is heavenly. We got close. We could fly so high. Let our spirit never die. My heart, feel you are all my brother. Give the world with no fear. Together we'll cry happy tears. See the days and turn their swords into pleasure. We could really get there if you care enough for a living. Make a little space. You and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for a living, make a better place for you